extremely close 6 on the suspect window, north of 8th.
Yo, stop right there, both of you. Stop. Hey. Stop! Put out the help call. Stop. Let me see your hands. Put out the help call. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. He has the gun on him.
Hey, don't move, man. Don't move. Stick out your hands.
Right, watch that guy back there.
Stick out your hands.
He's hit.
Stick out your hands.
He's hit. Okay, he's hit. It's okay. Slow down. Stand by. My rover fell up.
Okay, I got calm.
Okay.
Hey, stick out your hands.
Get a rover
Stop
rolling.
moving.
Get an RA rolling. Get an RA rolling. Hey, this guy here, a male Hispanic, chubby.
Male Hispanic chubby, you went southbound. Direction northbound.
Did you put out the help call?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, but he's with him, but he didn't have the gun. We gotta make an approach.
Stop moving. Stick out your hands. Now.
Come over to you?
Yeah.
Come over to us.
We gotta make an approach so we can render aid.
Okay.
So let's go on this side.
Hey, watch out back and go around that way.
We're gonna go around this side.
Yeah.
Who's gonna go hands on?
I'm gonna go hands on. Let me get some blood.
Move, bro. We're gonna try to help you out, okay? Don't move. We're gonna try to help you out. Get his other hand. The gun is right under him. Yeah. Right there, both of you. Stop. Yes. I'm gonna go to his left, grab his left arm. Don't move, bro. We're gonna try to help you out, okay? Don't move. We're gonna try to help you out.
I notified.
Let's go.